Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei MatePad 10.4 from 2022, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to find the About tablet. As you can see in this left section, you have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About tablet, just like I said. Right here we have to find and localize the build number, and all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So now we have to switch to the system and updates. Let's tap on it, and here, as you can see, almost at the very bottom, I mean at this last section, we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show surface updates, show visual feedback for taps. Here we've got some options connected overall to the networking, so as you can see, the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB even, or the automatic system updates. And basically all you have to do in order to turn on the option is to tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on the switcher. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the transition animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off completely, then just go to the very top of the list and tap on this switcher at the very top. As you can see, we just automatically got back to the system and updates, and in this section you cannot find the developer options. It is of course because we just successfully turned them off. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Huawei MatePad 10.4 from 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.